Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about BigQuery and I'm going to create an account. So it's pretty easy in any browser. Just go there and search here BigQuery and enter. After that, here you can sign in. So it's pretty easy. Like if you have a Google account, you can directly sign in. So I just click here. You can see here I have an account, so I can create easily the BigQuery. And here you can see I have to select the country where I live and also check the agreement, and also when I check this one I will receive the updates or any news about BigQuery in my email address. And here I don't want to check this one, I just agree and continue. And here you can see, so before starting I want to mention one thing, like basically we have to pay for BigQuery in order to run in our computer and also use it in our daily job. But here there are two free ways we can use this. The first one is the sandbox, but each one has like somehow limitation, because whenever we use the sandbox we cannot create more than 12 projects at the same time. If we want to create, for example, 13 14, we have to delete the previous projects. And also we have also free trial for 90 days, so it will not update after 90 days. We have to, if we want to pay, we have to select that option ourselves, so it do not charge us like automatically. So from here we can create our first project. When I click here, as you can see here, I'm using the sandbox. Here you can see here is you have 12 projects remaining in your quota. Request and increase or delete projects, and here we can manage the quota and we can buy, and from here we can select the project name SQL 2022. I have selected this, and here the location, and I can just create my first project. And yes, you can see here it's the project, and from here I can import data, and from here I can write my first query. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.